It's like a huge construction zone just next to the 666 Seminyak hotel, which hotel is behind me. It's like, you know, they're building the brand new promenade and everything, but keep it in mind in case if you would like to, you know, enjoy the beach outside the hotel of 666, because it's not that cheap, and maybe some of you already come for holiday, book this in next week, next month. The situation on the beach just outside of the hotel looks like this one. It's like a huge construction site, so keep it in mind. They're building the promenade. The promenade is actually here when I'm walking already right now. Looks pretty decent. So this is the path where people gonna walk. Here will be some stalls, but also what I realize is on the other side they have like a huge concrete materials. What probably they're gonna build the tram summer, or I don't know, whatever they're gonna build here. I will let you know as always. Meanwhile, brand new promenade here. And of course, if I'm already here, I have to show you the biggest attraction on 666 Beach, which is La Plancha Beach Bar and some others. So, you know, the promenade is like, here is some not really finished, here is finished, because they have to brush it. Some other bar is brushing it. Yeah, what's up, doggo? And there is like a little bit less fortunate bar. And there's just next to it is the famous La Plancha, a legendary place. Everybody who coming to 666 Beach, to Seminyak, this is must stop. Well, if you like the vibes like this one, they have a bar also in the building, but overall it's like this one. And there is the newest promenade. However, pretty busy, I could say, for everyone who are interested of the situation of La Plancha. It's pretty busy over here, more and more people coming, and the promenade situation. Hello. But it's not as that busy as it's supposed to be, I guess. It's also already here is broken, the promenade, for some reason. So yeah, also the rain season started, that's why you have so many rubbish things like this one. They clean it, but they have to store it somewhere, so usually they store somewhere close to the promenade. So in general, you have a 666 hotel here, and that's the situation on the beach. Like I said, doesn't look very attractive. However, the new promenade is completed here, so I'm gonna keep walking like a regular stroll into direction of Legion, and let's see how it looks like a very first look of the brand new promenade. Basically everything stayed the same, remains the same. Bars are here, the buildings of the bars are on the other side. It's just the brand new promenade, so looks pretty nice and pretty enjoyable, I'm gonna tell you. And I was a little bit surprised as they finish it in so quick. That's because they're using the prefabricates, which is like ready to use the elements of the promenade. And the overall situation today on the middle of the week in Seminyak, like this one, people coming for watching the sunset, you know, just regular stuff. How is it in November already, beginning of November? Times fly so quick, only 2 months to the, you know, New Year. Unbelievable, 2020 flew so fast. And well, everywhere are still some signs of the construction, like a wall at the front, and you know, like left over some of them here. So the sunset is gonna be shortly, like in half hour maybe or so. And there's some machines, there's some bar, and there's the big fence and the crane or something like that. So I have to back to the street, just at the front of the Kokon Beach Club. And of course, in case if you ask, the Kokon Beach Club still closed. I was thinking they're gonna start rebuilding something, but seems like it's nobody there. However, the windows are open, so yeah, and the parking situation also seems pretty busy. Some tourists walking around also as well, so not that bad. Well, so that was 666, and this is the main corner gate, entrance, exit to the Legion side. This is Pantai Legion actually. the border between Legion and Seminyak. Actually, as you can see, Legion Seminyak on the sign over here. It's always busy here. That's good actually. You can see Legion Seminyak border. Some Karla Spa, regular stroll, Circle K. They already moving the construction here. There was the stall, so I'm gonna get a little bit inside the beach, show you. There will be public toilets, I think, over here, and their overall construction site is here for the new promenade. As you can see, the already path of the promenade will be here, but it's so messy. Some tourists here. Happy days, happy days. Me, I am back. So what is smoking like this one? Oh, he gonna start Bakar this one. Oh well. When we started previously in 66 in the La Plancha, it's more likely more bar with the loud music and all of this stuff, and here is more into kinda sports bar vibe, not like a beach vibe. You can come here also for drinking beer on the beach. I will have a look little bit what's cracking inside. You can find some bars, and actually promenade is already here a little bit, so I'm gonna have a look. So nice promenade. Actually, the promenade, in my opinion, is the best idea what's happened here in Bali in these times, in the past years, definitely. It's still under the construction, but already you can feel the shape, so you can walk nicely on the beach side, not really on the street side, and you can have a look of all of these bars everywhere around. Yo, what's up, brother? Yo, what's up? So you have a bar. Also, this area is popular for the bags, so like this one you can buy, and they still keep working hard while other people enjoying their time on the beach, you know. Yeah, that's how it is. Anyways, this area started with Bakso. Bakso was the most popular place here for everyone, but on the street side you have the sports bars, like a pavilion, very popular place for the Australian community. Here we go. It's pretty busy today. People enjoying, the locals, everybody. Here we go. And I have a look for you, for everyone missing the place, and go into direction of the sands and stuff like this. Just the regular stroll today, most likely for everyone missing the place, like a kind of update, you know, regular day in Bali, you know. So, you know, it's pretty busy actually. I mean, yeah, it's alright. I mean, I lose already, is it busy or not? It's just how it is. Kumara Pantai and Anantara Vacation Club. The situation here like this one, and one more look to the beach. This is actually, so many of them, they are closed, the warungs, and the construction is actually finishing and starting over here. So yeah, next to Kumara Pantai, the construction is currently actually just opposite the sands currently, and some people enjoying in the sands. And the coffee club also seems having some people, of course, the delivery boys with the bintangs and stuff. Also, some people are here next to the entrance to the hotel, what is named Jayakarta. Pretty old hotel, but also successful. It was struggling a lot, but they managed, people going for having sunset drinks. And of course, you can have Mr. Jack Horn. Mr. Jack Horn. Big and long. Big and long, big and long. That's good. If you ask me about the bars by the beach, some of them they are open, some of them they are closed, some people enjoying their time. This is the specification of this part of Bali, of this part of Legion actually, Legion Seminyak, as people either enjoying their time in the restaurants and in the hotels like this one behind me, or just by the beach enjoying few bintangs, few drinks, few coconuts, whatever you like. I just wanted to present you today a little bit of the current situation in this part of the Legion, because I know this, well, and if you are interested, even it's over again, I hope so you enjoyed today. The same. I will see you tomorrow on next one. As always, yeah. Take care, guys.